kind of got blown out of proportion a fair bit. I hurt my neck and I couldn't do all the fun shit I usually do, and I was looking at the cruiser one day and I thought, fuck it, I'll do my cruiser up. Pulled it apart, and as we started pulling it apart and cleaning her up, it kind of, every time we looked at it, we were like, fuck, that looks pretty good, and then, I don't know, guess we got a bit carried away. And then next minute we're doing a 200 series conversion. .200 series twin turbo V8 diesel. We have Fox, I think they're 11-inch trebles on the front, all Dobinson Coils. We have solid chromoly, conrod, panhards, draglink, tie rod, basically just about everything you can possibly do there. We'd stand back, you know, in this shed is where it all started. We'd stand back and we'd look at it and go, fucking hell, that's beautiful. And then I guess one thing led to another, because we had expectations up here and it just flowed basically from then on. We're probably in about the 18, 19 months now from full strip. I remember there was a couple of nights there where basically my whole car was sitting there on the ground like a flat pack. You know, it was a bit daunting. Plan is to put everything on, get it 100% Mickey Mouse, and then hit the road. Start probably head over to West Oz. It's probably my first priority, and then see what happens next. BFG KO2s All Terrains. They are a 35-inch by 12.5 by 20s. So it's an airbag band. Just for like I thought. I didn't really need them, but I thought, fuck, if I put a canopy on there or something, and we start putting boards and that on the roof, or fridges, and even towing a boat, fuck, it'll come in handy. And it's easy to do it while you're there, when you're there. We've got, everything's comp rods. We've got solid chromoly, lower control arms, fully adjustable. Solid upper control arms, fully adjustable. Solid panhard, fully adjustable, everything by comp rods. We've also got a billet torsion sway bar system that parts man Dan comp rods have been just come up with, and they mainly run it on their trophy trucks and shit like that, but it's good to get it in a road car, especially at this height, and point it down the road and steer in the right direction. It's I haven't sat down and looked at the receipts, but I'm kind of scared to a little bit. It'd be something pretty stupid. A mate of Paul, he's Andy Taylor. He'd come out and he goes, yeah, sweet as, we'll do it. Don't even worry about getting any mandrel bends. We'll just do all the lobster back. And I'm like, fuck, sweet. I said, when can you do it? He goes, I'll come around tomorrow night. And he made a start on it, and it's come out mint. Like, I really like the way it's come out. It's got a bit of a bark to it. I mean, obviously it'd be ideal to tie them in together and then shoot it out the back, and it will have a good rumble. But for now, in the time frame we had, it looks good, it sounds good, and it'll do. These lads, four days I said I'd hit a tray. I've got this shoot coming. 4 days I gave them, and hey, it is immaculate. It is mint. SCQ on-site services bullshit. They have slowly over time sandblasted and two-packed just about everything. They've been unreal. Parts man Dan, everything under this car is com rods. Their shit's pretty tough. I'm sure they're probably sick of me ringing and going, how do I set up this and how do I do that? But they've been a big help. So without a doubt, Andy from Valence Engineering, he's good. I learned a lot from him. Just Autos, Nambour, they built the motor. It was also their idea at the start. I took a motor to them and they're like, ever thought of twin turbo? And I was like, not really. I kind of wanted to put an LS in it. But they talked me into it, mate, and Yeah. Toyota Land Cruiser 79 series with a 105 coil rear conversion and a 200 series twin turbo V8 conversion. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's the first one out there. Bunch of legends for you boys flying up here. I do appreciate it. As much as I had to, this deadline nearly killed me. Thanks, because otherwise it could have taken another few months. Like, share and subscribe to Oz 4x4 Sales. Mad Dog.
Nick, I can't do these low cars, man. This car is way too low for me.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.